Okay, first graders, we are going to talk about 10 more and 10 less. Now, the cool thing about this today is whenever we're talking about tens, we don't need to worry about the ones, okay? So if there are ones there, we keep them there. They don't go away. We don't get more. They just stay put. And if there aren't any ones, then we just use a zero, right? Because zero means it's saving the place for those ones to come along. Okay, but just remember that as we go. When we're talking about our tens, we don't need to worry about the ones. Got that? Okay, so we are going to be finding numbers that are 10 more and 10 less. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get that done. Okay, so here I have a number model. Okay, on 3, if you will tell me what number you see. 1, 2, 3. Did you say 63? That is the number. I have 6 tens and I have 3 ones. Okay, 63. Now, if I wanted to have 10 more, again, would I worry about the ones? No. So if I'm going to get 10 more, my ones are going to do what? Stay the same. Okay. If I need 10 more, all I need to do is add 1 stick. Remember, 1 stick is 1 group of 10. So I have 63, 10 more. I put 63 here in the middle. So 10 more would be 73. Now I have 7 tens, and the 3 ones stayed the same. Okay, let's go back to my 63. What would be 10 less? Are my ones going to change at all if I'm talking about my tens? No. I have 3 ones no matter what. But instead of 6 tens, I'm going to take 10 away. 1 group of 10 goes away, and now I have 5 tens. 53 is 10 less than 63. 73 is 10 more than 63. The middle number is our base number. Okay. Now, if I'm doing that by drawing my own models, this is how I would do it. Okay. What is the number that I have right now that I'm starting with? Okay, 34. Good. Okay, what is 10 less than 34? We take a 10 away. I'm not going to do it there. When I draw it again, I'm going to do 1 less 10. So now I only have 2 tens, and I keep my 4 ones. 2 tens, 4 ones. Just the tens changed. What would be 10 more than 34? If we're going to have more, we're going to get bigger, and we're talking about the tens, so the group of tens is going to get bigger. 10 more, I add another group of tens. So I started with 3, and I'm going to get 1 more, and I keep the 4 ones. So now I have 4 tens and 4 ones. 10 more, 10 less. Okay. Let's do another one. I'm going to put 65 here in the middle. And if I want 10 more, what's going to change? Are my ones going to change? No, the ones stay the same. I'm going to write 10 more here. Okay, so my ones are going to stay the same. my tens, I'm going to get one group of 10 more. What's 1 more than 6? 7. So now I have 7 tens and 5 ones. 10 less means my group of tens, 1 is going away. 110, right here it shows 110 and no ones are going to go away, are getting less. So my ones are going to stay the same. And my tens are going to get 1 less. What is 1 less than 6, or 6 minus 1? 5. So 10 less than 65 is 55. Now you should all have your hundreds chart. And when you're looking at a hundreds chart, remember counting by tens is when we go up and down. Up and down is counting by tens. So looking at the one we just did, 65, 10 more is going to be right below it, 75, and 10 less is going to go right above it, 55. Tens are when we go up and down. And notice as we go up and down on the hundreds chart, the ones will always stay the same. Okay? Doesn't matter where you start. If you are going to find 10 more or 10 less, the ones are going to stay the same. Okay? Remember, math is full of patterns. So as long as you're keeping an eye open for those patterns and trying to make those connections that we're talking about, you are going to do just fine. Get out your hundreds chart, get out your base 10 blocks, and use them to help you find 10 more and 10 less. Happy learning!